Hello guys, this video will be about me unboxing my Steinberg UR12 USB interface and the items inside of it and the audio test, of course. After plugging it in, messing around with it, and learning how to use it on OBS and Vegas Pro, I feel like I need to spend more time with it to learn how to properly set it up on different editing software. Before I go on, I want to let you guys know a problem I've been having on Twitch. While I'm streaming, my audio sounds good, but when I watch it on replay, my microphone audio is barely noticeable, while my team's microphone sounds loud. If you guys know how to fix this problem, please let me know. The items that come with the main unit are 3 physical items and 1 downloadable item. The first 3 items are a USB cable, a getting started book, and the installation CD. Don't use the installation CD, just download the drivers online. I will leave a link to the driver on the description below. Now back to the 1 downloadable item. It is a key that gets you started on the downloading of the Cubase AI/LE software. Before I go on into the audio comparison, I want to let you guys know that this is not a full review of the UR12 Steinberg. I will do one later on in the future. With that being said, I want to let you guys know that from the start of the video, I've been using the AT2035 cardioid condenser microphone with no filters. And what you're listening to right now is a headset with a built-in microphone. Do you guys hear the difference, or is it just me? Hey guys, I just want to let you guys know that I'm very grateful for you guys watching my videos, and I want to thank you for that. I also want to let you guys know that I plan on making many more videos in the future. So if you like this video, hit the like, and if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Thanks guys.